morning. I'm going to be making a pumpkin cream pie this morning, and this is a no-bake pie, so it's super easy, and there's only a few ingredients. So first we're going to put in, I got too big of a can, so I'm just putting half of it in. Just the smaller can is perfect. So I'm going to put half of this in here, and it's just a pumpkin, the pie mix. So, and then a full container of Cool Whip. I get the extra creamy, I just like it better. And let's get this in here. I've never made this before, so it's first time for me too. So we'll have to wait and see, because you have to freeze it later on. Maybe after dinner we'll have some, and then we can let you know what it looks like done and how it tasted. So we'll just mix these together. It's also super easy. There's just a few ingredients with this, which is nice. Inexpensive, easy, fast, and should be yummy. So looking forward to it. And it almost looks kind of an orangey color when you're mixing it up, which is normal, I guess, with a pumpkin pie filler. Put that in, and then this is a cheesecake pudding made by Jell-O, and this is the sugar-free. They didn't have a regular one, so we're going to be trying the sugar-free one. And there's plenty of sweetness in the Cool Whip and the pumpkin as well, so this should be just fine. I just wanted to make sure we got the flavor of the cheesecake in there. I thought about maybe using a vanilla or something. I thought, no, let's just use the cheesecake. And just mix this all up. Mix it really good. You can also use a hand mixer if you want to, but it's not hard to mix. So this, just with a kind of a sturdy spatula, rubber spatula, works just fine too. It smells like pumpkin pie right now. And then we're going to add a little bit of cinnamon. Mix that in there. Just sprinkle some on there. I mean, you don't have to use cinnamon, but if you like cinnamon and you want to add a little, gives it a little bit of extra flavor. So, okay, so that's all mixed in. And then we have, you can make your own pie crust, or you can do what I did, do it the quick way, and we're just getting a chocolate pie crust that already made, pre-made. And we're going to put all this in there.
Oh, that's loveliness right there.
Does that look good?
Oh, man.
Should be yummy tonight, huh?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. This is something really easy to do for your Thanksgiving or Christmas dinner. Everybody always has pumpkin pie, but maybe like a pumpkin cream pie might be something new and fun for everyone to try. Okay. Smooth that out a little bit. Make it look a little nicer. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of cinnamon sugar on top the mix. This kind of makes it a little pretty too. And there we go. We are all ready to put it in the freezer, and we'll let it sit in there until after dinner tonight, and we'll let you all know how it went.
That was almost too easy.
It's so easy. And if it tastes as yummy as it smells, I think we're in for a treat tonight. So if this looks good to y'all, hey, give it a try. We'll let you know this evening. Okay, we're going to get this pie out that we made earlier today. And we are going to cut a little piece out of it and give it a taste test. Let's see. I think it's going to be good.
I know it sure smells good. Oh, look at that.
Isn't that pretty?
So pretty. Pretty hungry.
Oh yeah. It's almost like a ice cream pie.
Now, is this something you have to keep in the freezer or once you take it out?
Yeah, you do, because it's got to stay firm like that.
So it is sort of an ice cream pie.
Kind of, huh? Wonder it, huh?
Oh yeah.
Come on out now. Don't fail me. Okay, here we go. You want the first taste?
Sure.
Okay. You could be the guinea pig.
Oh my word.
Is it good?
Oh, that is so creamy and rich. But yet it's light and fluffy.
That is really good. So good.
Thumbs up on that one.
Thumbs up. Absolutely. Oh my goodness.
All right.
Oh my gosh, it's good. So good.
Well, thanks everybody for following along in Cindy's kitchen.
Yeah, we appreciate you joining us and having a little taste test with us this evening. And I hope you give it a try, because I have a feeling you're really going to like this.
Till next week. Thanks, folks.
Thank you.